Hey, I'm here in my course recording studio, and while I'm recording my next course, I wanted to share something I'm pretty excited about. The final proofs of my latest book just came in, and it looks awesome. It's called The Ultimate Online Course Creation Guide, and it tells you all the tips and tricks I've learned in the process of earning well over $1 million on Udemy alone. My wife and kids all worked on converting this into a book from my online course, and they worked really hard to produce a professionally laid out, formatted, and proofread book. I don't want to bore you with a commercial here, but go check it out on Amazon. The link's below and in the description. Here's a secret. You can get the Kindle version of the book for even less money than the online video course itself. It's less than $5. So if you're making online courses or thinking of producing them on the side, it's a real no-brainer to get my literally $1 million tips for $5. And when you see all the great little graphics inside the book, mentally send a thank you note to my family. They did a great job on it, and it's something we're all very proud of. And if the information in this book helps to lead you toward an independent lifestyle, I'd be pretty proud of that too. Go check it out.